We love to make our own Play-Dohs because it is super soft, inexpensive to make, and if stored in a Ziploc bag, this Play-Doh can be stored for months. So come on, let's begin. In a pan on low to medium heat, add a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of cooking or vegetable oil, and mix well. Add a cup of lukewarm water and cook over the medium heat by stirring continuously. Continue stirring until the dough has thickened and begin to form into a ball. Remove from the heat and then knead until smooth. Add different colors and knead it. Here I am using the watercolors. You can add food colors as well. Once it's all mixed together, you are ready to play. Store the Play-Doh inside the bags once done to keep it soft, and this can be stored for up to 3 months. Hope you like this video. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be coming up with a more exciting DIY video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.